How to increase credit limit in RBC Credit Card. Let's get started. Firstly, ensure your account is in good standing with no overdue payments or defaults. Typically, bank looks for a good credit score and a history of responsible credit usage. There are 3 ways to request a change to credit limit. You can head towards the website of RBC and then log into your account. After you log in, navigate to the credit card section and find the option for a credit limit increase. Then follow the prompts. Fill out the application form with accurate information, upload or submit any required documents such as proof of income. The bank will then review your request, which may take few days. They might contact you for additional information or documentation. If approved, your new credit limit will be updated in your account. Check your account to confirm the new limit. Also, you can contact RBC Customer Service. Call RBC Customer Service at the number given in the website, or you can visit the local branch. Inform them that you wish to request a credit limit increase. By following these steps, you will be able to increase credit limit in RBC Credit Card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.